So nandito ako ngayon sa Taringdeng para maghanap ng makakain. In case you don't know kung saan to sa Bangkok, nasa other side lang siya ng Songwat Road and just a few minutes away from Icon Siam. Taringdeng is well known sa mga locals dahil sa Taringdeng Market and the food stalls around here. While I was walking, nakita ko tong sign na to and I found out na sikat pala sila. Natakam ako sa pork satay na grinigrill nila sa harap ko, kaya nag-decide akong tikman. Nag-order ako ng 10 sticks for 90 baht. Kaya na tayo guys! Ang sikat ng musate dito sa Taringdeng Road. Soft, juicy, and sakto lang yung lasa at texture ng peanut sauce nila. Pero parang may kulang. Sang numpang doon, may numpang hap dyan. Kaya nag-order din ako ng grilled bread and I say this is the best combo. So usually, kinakain nila to with bread guys. Kaya nag-order din tayo ng tinapay. Hindi ko alam kung this is the right way to eat it, pero ganito lagi yung ginagawa ko kapag kumakain ako ng chicken satay or musate. Meron din silang chicken and liver satay and other food as well. Pero try natin yan next time. Mu and Kai satay is one of the most popular Thai street foods. So kayo, nakapag-try na rin ba? Let me know.